Hey everyone, my name is Ben and welcome to my channel PressTube. Now in this video I'm gonna put this giant ball of slime in my shredding machine and see what happens. Now I didn't make this myself, it was made by a friend of me. Her name is Just Jade. I will provide some links in the description below to the video where she made this slime. Now I also want to thank Squarespace for making this video possible, and I think it's time now to head to the shredding machine. Here we go, guys. Okay guys, welcome at the shredder. Now as you can see, there is already some slime in the shredder, and that's because I already put it through, but I forgot to turn on my camera. So I'm gonna do it again, and this time with the camera rolling. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, welcome back. I hope you liked that video. If you did, please consider to give this a thumbs up. Now, if you have any other ideas which I should do with this giant slime ball, just let me know in the comments below. Now, I also want to thank Squarespace for making this video possible. Squarespace gives you a powerful and online platform to build your own website, guys. You can choose from many award-winning templates and start making your own website just with a few clicks. They also have an awesome 24/7 customer support to solve any problems you might have when building your own website. Now just go to squarespace.com/presstube and receive 10% discount on your first purchase. The link is also in the description below. Okay guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!